Listen to me. As a doctor, I want to ask you something important about your hair. If every time you touch your hair it falls like this, it is not random and it is something I see daily in my patient. When patients tell me their bathroom looks like a crime scene, it usually means the problem started weeks or even months ago. So naturally, the first question people ask me is, Doctor, am I already going bald or not? Relax. In most cases, your hair is not disappearing. It is simply not getting what it needs. Before you panic, let me be very clear. Most hair fall cases are completely reversible if you fix the basics early. Hair fall does not start overnight. It builds up slowly because of diet, stress, poor sleep, and daily habits. When your body lacks nutrients, the hair roots weaken first, and weak roots always mean more shedding. This is why fixing your diet is always the first step I recommend before any treatment. Let us start with eggs, because your hair is made mostly of protein, and protein deficiency weakens hair very fast. When you do not eat enough protein, hair becomes thin, weak, and starts breaking before it can grow. This is why I always tell my patients, no protein means no strong hair, no matter what oil you apply. You can eat eggs boiled or cooked, but you cannot eat junk food daily and expect healthy hair. Now let us talk about spinach, because healthy hair roots depend heavily on iron and essential vitamins. Strong roots help hair stay longer on your head, while weak roots make hair fall faster than you expect. Healthy fats are extremely important for scalp moisture, and avocado is one of the best natural sources. When your scalp stays dry for a long time, hair breaks easily and growth becomes very slow. Dehydration is another silent cause of hair fall, because dry skin always leads to weak hair roots. If you do not drink enough water daily, no oil, no serum, and no medicine can fully fix hair fall. When you fix nutrition, hydration, and lifestyle together, hair fall automatically starts reducing within weeks. Let me explain this from the basics. Hair fall is not a disease. It is usually a signal from your body. Your hair roots depend on blood supply, oxygen, and nutrients to stay strong and active. When your daily diet lacks protein, iron, and vitamins, hair becomes the first victim. Protein builds hair structure, iron feeds the roots, and without them, hair fall becomes unavoidable. This is why fixing nutrition is always the first medical step before any treatment or oil. Poor sleep directly affects hormones, and hormonal imbalance is a very common hidden cause of hair fall. Sleeping less than 6 hours regularly pushes your body into stress mode, and hair growth slows down. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, and cortisol silently pushes hair out of the growth cycle. Gentle scalp stimulation improves blood flow, but rough handling actually increases hair breakage. Ignoring sleep and stress while using products is one of the biggest mistakes I see in hair loss patients. Highly processed junk food creates inflammation in the body, and inflammation weakens hair roots over time. Excess sugar spikes insulin levels, and that hormonal imbalance directly triggers increased hair shedding. Your body always prioritizes survival organs first, so hair suffers when nutrition quality stays poor. Small daily improvements in food choices create long-term stability for hair growth and scalp health. Hair recovery is not instant, but when habits stay consistent, results always follow. Hair changes happen gradually, so daily observation matters more than panic after a few fallen strands. Hair improvement is measured in weeks and months, not days, because biology always works slowly. Oils can support scalp care, but they cannot replace nutrients that must come from inside your body. Real hair strength is built through consistent nutrition, proper sleep, and controlled stress levels. If hair fall continues despite lifestyle correction, it is important to consult a qualified doctor early. The most important thing I tell my patients is to stay consistent, because hair health improves only with regular habits. Most hair fall cases improve naturally when diet, sleep, and stress are corrected together. Remember, panic never helps hair, but correct information always does. If this video helped you understand hair fall better, make sure you apply these steps patiently. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more simple, honest health videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay informed.